So today I'm excited to share with you one of my favorite video editing tool, and it's perfect for beginners, and it's CapCut. Yes, CapCut. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of editing, let me tell you a little story about why I started using CapCut in the first place. Like many of you, I embark on a YouTube journey with lots of excitement, lots of ideas, but no experience when it comes to video editing. And like one of my followers, one of my viewers, her name is Elizabeth Dora, she said, I don't know how to edit. And I was in the same place where you are right now. I remember feeling overwhelmed with some of the complexity of some of the editing tools out there. I needed something that was user friendly and powerful